Good morning, Saturday. I was going to have a nice chilled morning this morning. I've got my first travel blogger coming in 5 days' time. That's the good news. The bad news is she was like, you do have washing facilities, don't you? So, what kind of? Only that's broken. And the brand new Melia, how do you say it? Super duper washing machine and tumble dryer is over there. So I've just got to, challenge for the day. Let's do it. I got all the top jobs. Please, Gabrielle, come back. Nice light. Here we are for the moody shot. These are the instructions. Seriously, I know it's like stereotyping, saying blokes, don't deal with washing machines and stuff. But I'll do a screen grab and add it here. If that makes sense to you, I'll give you a job. I mean, what is that about? No words, no nothing, just yeah. Wing it. I was just in my room and I thought there was an earthquake or something going on. So I flew out and I've done the first wash. And I don't know what's going on, but that was just literally flying. Like, it's brand new. It's supposed to be Melia, super quiet. So, I don't know what it's done, but it's like it's managed to break the lid off. I've literally put this in today. Doesn't sound too good, is it? That's a brand new machine. This is its first wash ever. Look at it, it's moving the fucking thing around. The hell? That is not right. That's not what I expect from a brand new machine. Calm down now. My little friend here, this card, I YouTubed it, and basically what it tells you is if you don't pull out this whacking great rod out of the back of the machine, what it doesn't tell you is if you don't do that, the machine will fly around the room. It's not moving around now. I guess the revs are going so high that it's settled, but it's a huge noise. I mean, that's not right. Oh wow. Look at that, man. Ah, it's fine. Both travel bolts out. It's absolutely fine. Thank God for that. Yeah, did the typical bloke thing. Yeah, it was a long night. So I just showed you, yeah, there's the travel bar, what do they call it? Yeah, the travel bar or something, yeah. There's not one. There's two. So when I took out both of them, luckily I didn't blow it up and all seems to be good, and I have clean clothes on. Yeah. Monday morning, first guest arrives Thursday, so that's all good. Room's all ready. Look, it's all ready to go. So I'm not going to be able to put them in here because the electrician still hasn't been able to come. Can you see that? Look. The electrician hasn't been able to come, the fire people haven't been able to come. So I've got all the floorboards still up around the house. And well, you can't let somebody stay in this situation. So I was like, what am I going to do? I was like, well, no point in pretending all that's going to happen by Thursday. Hello. So I've decided, right, well, I'm going to go and cheat, and I'll just put them in my spare room in my apartment. There's only one slight problem with that, and there's still loads of stuff. So I've got a few days. Let's get this sorted. Kitchen needs, how should we say, a little bit of a clean up. So all the stuff in the spare room, it's easy, I'll just put it in the garage. Oh yeah, the garage is full. Washing machines are behaving themselves now. So I think I need to go to the dump. So today's Tuesday, managed to get everything out. Didn't exactly help my back, so there's a bit of mud on the mattress, so I've got to clean that. But now I've found there's a little bit of flaky paint on there, and there's some stains around there. And because I don't have the bed, because it's sorry due to Corona, it's not going to get here till Monday. I've got to do a bit of magnolia painting, I guess. Everything takes longer under Captain Corona. Yeah, I have 2 days. Yeah, but look, I've got this, well, to me, this is tidy. All that stuff's gone, so by Thursday this will be like, oh yeah, and this is the yard. Washing, I don't quite have a system yet, but it's fantastic to have the first guest coming, because it makes you actually, like, you know, it makes you open up, which is the idea. You know, I've got 2 whole days, I'll be fine. New sheets have arrived. I can't remember if I've got Super King sheets in there or not. I've just been through all the boxes. There's no Super King duvets and stuff. So I'm going to do this really weird thing that I haven't done for a long time. I'm going to go to a shop, because I've got 2 days. There's no way I'll get them delivered in 2 days. Yeah, I've got to go shopping. It's amazing how quickly you get used to something. They say if you do something 30 times, it becomes a habit. And this is the fear in the UK now, is, yeah, the high street's going to die because everyone's got used to just buying stuff online. And it is, like before I was like, oh, do I have to buy this stuff online? And now I'm like, oh, I've got to go all the way to the shop, and what if they don't have what I want? It's like, it's amazing how quickly everything changes. So now we're finished with the sugar soap. We apply a bit of poor man's alcohol. Doesn't smell very strong. Just to get any remaining grease off. And we'll go shopping, and hopefully when we get back we'll be dry, painted, done. The mattress cover had a bit of muck on it, so I thought, right, easy. Got a new washing machine. Great. I've cleaned it so well here that I don't think it actually needs painting. It was just kind of dirt on the wall, which is good. So another bit of paint makes it super ready to go. So I buy this from the cleaner shop, and it's like the washing machine. So okay, so you take the label off. No, you untake the head. I mean, how are you supposed to get it out? Yeah, it's got this little thing right on the end. I've just destroyed it off another one. And that one, there's something blocking it. It's like, oh, by the way, mate, when you use it, you gotta what? Do what? Unscrew it? It's just, I don't get it. Maybe read the instructions. Directions for use. Spray foam and leave for 2 minutes. Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, I'll do that. How do I get in it? That label does not come off. But it doesn't matter if it doesn't come off, because I just destroyed that one, which clearly doesn't have a label on it, and they don't mess with me, because it's what's called firing blanks. I mean, there's no other way in, is there? Turn it around. Laundry thing was always like, well, we'll do that later when we're finished. So I haven't really spent a huge amount of time sorting out the laundry room. Right, got some shelves. I asked someone to put some shelves in there, or to make some shelves in there. So hopefully they're in there. I'll get the laundry in. Let's get going. I don't believe it. I said to the guy, make some shelves and put them in there. Put them in that wardrobe. Okay. Well, I guess he made some shelves, and I guess he put them in the wardrobe. 2 coats of paint done. All before first coffee. Look at those lights. Where is it? Look at that. Whoa. God, they're terrible first thing as an light, isn't it? Yeah, it's got that done. Got the bit of painting on the TV bit here all done as well. I'll hoover that up, so we're kind of done down here. Now we just need to clean up the kitchen a little bit. Yeah, it won't take long. There's something about working in a team. Working on your own sucks, basically. Which is probably why I do this vlog, because I kind of like, yeah, instead of getting a, what do they call it? Meet my Wilson. At least I'm actually talking to somebody, in theory. Oh, you bastard, go in. That needs to go in here. Sorted. Everything takes longer than you think. Alright. So it's Wednesday. I've just got all the bedding ordered, bespoke made by a guy down the road who's very good. You just go and tell him what you need, and he does it. Did it all in 24 hours. I told him it was a rush job because first guest is coming Thursday, And now I just got a message. I'll be there on Friday. Oh, okay. But anyway, yeah, it's good. I needed to order them all, get them all done. And it gives me a whole nother day to get ready, which as you can see, I could get it all done today, but my back is killing me. So I've got a whole extra day. They say things get worse pretty much done. I've just got to do in here. And I thought, well, there's nothing going to go wrong, but let's just get the bed and everything done. And then my phone goes, dee, don't forget your appointment with the accountant. Oh. So I'm late and I've got to go. But yeah, take a look. The room is done. The size of that bed, man. Whee! So yeah, smells of bleach, but never mind. Even outside's clean. All done. Shampooed. We'll need to put them away. Kitchen all done. So now I just have to wait for a knock at the door. Ooh, here we go.
Hi, I'm Diana.
Hello, come in. Welcome to somewhere different.
Thanks.